Hey guys, welcome to iTech Savvy. Today we will be talking about the Samsung Galaxy M31s, which is a successor phone of M30s. This phone is really hyped in the market because of its features and its camera. Samsung has also given a hashtag to this phone, which is hashtag Monster Shot. This phone comes in two variants, 6 plus 128GB, which will cost you around 20,499, and 8 plus 128GB, which will cost you 22,499. Also, the phone is available in two colors, Mirage Black and Mirage Blue. So without wasting much time, let's get into the features. So let's start with the camera. This phone comes with quad camera setup, which Samsung is offering in other phones also. This camera setup consists of 5 megapixel depth camera, 64 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, 12 megapixels 123-degree wide-angle camera, and a 5 megapixel micro camera. The camera also consists of a Sony sensor IMX68 to improve the camera quality. Now let's talk about a very good feature of its camera. The stock camera app offers you basic features from Samsung, and also along with that, there's a special feature in this phone called the single take. So basically, single take is a feature which allows you to capture a combination of photos and videos. Whenever you capture something using single take, the phone captures multiple photos like normal, black and white, special crop, portrait mode, and also some different kind of videos like normal video, boomerang, hyperlapse, and even slow-mos. And this single take feature is available with both front and rear cameras. So this has improved the camera features really well. Now let's move on to the next good thing, which is big battery. Now Samsung is offering you a 6000 mAh battery, and this phone is compared to a power bank. I will tell you why. This phone also supports power share. Of course, you won't get a wireless power share at this price point, but still getting a power share is very nice. Now you might be thinking that battery capacity is higher and it will take very long to charge this phone. But let me tell you, Samsung is including a 25-watt charger in the box itself, which will charge your phone 0 to 100 in just 97 minutes. Along with the 25-watt adapter, you will get a USB-C type to USB-C type cable, which can be used for power share. Now talking about the display is also very nice. The screen to body ratio is 91%. You get a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD support. This display has 420 nits of brightness, and you should not be worrying about the display as Samsung is known for providing very good displays. Now let's talk about the performance. So Samsung Galaxy M31s comes with Exynos 9611 processor, which is a 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. Now there are two different variants of RAM provided in this phone. One variant consists of 6GB RAM and the other variant consists of 8GB RAM. Now this phone is a dual SIM phone, and also you can increase the storage space up to 512 GB using external SD card provided in the SIM tray itself. And you are also provided a headphone jack in this phone. So talking about the thickness of this phone is 9.3 mm thick, and the design looks really sleek. So coming to the last thing, which is security, the phone has a fingerprint scanner in the lock button itself, so it would give you a very good feel to use this phone. So that was it guys. If you are thinking to buy a phone under 25,000, then this could be your choice. Comment down below and tell me how did you like the phone, and I will meet you in the next video.
Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Also please like, comment and share the video, and make sure you are following all our social media handles. Thank you guys, stay tuned, stay safe.